Today, we're igniting the fire within you to unleash your hidden potential. If you've ever felt a more powerful version of yourself waiting to break free, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 ways to harness your inner badass. Imagine waking up every day with a fearless mindset, ready to tackle any challenge with unshakable confidence. Let's start this adventure together and discover how you can become the most badass version of yourself. In the wild, every creature bears unique markings, a pattern as individual as a fingerprint. In a world constantly pushing us to fit into molds, there's nothing more powerful than embracing your authentic self. This is your foundation, the bedrock of true confidence. When you accept and love who you truly are, you start to radiate a unique energy that attracts positivity and opportunity. Start by taking a deep dive into your strengths. Reflect on your passions, your talents, and the things that set your soul on fire. Ask yourself, what matters most to me? How can I live more in tune with my core values? When you embrace your quirks and differences, you start to celebrate the unique individual you were always meant to be. And that, my friends, is the first step to harnessing your inner badass. Just as a sapling needs sunlight and water to grow, our minds thrive on positive reinforcement. Welcome to the transformative power of positive affirmations. These aren't just feel-good phrases, they're tools that can reshape your mindset and boost your self-esteem. Try saying, I am capable of achieving great things, or I deserve all the good things life has to offer. When you repeat these affirmations regularly, you start to replace the negative self-talk with empowering thoughts. Make it a daily habit, perhaps in the morning as you prepare for the day, or at night as you unwind. Let's harness this power together and create a brighter, more confident you. In the animal kingdom, territories are fiercely guarded. Establishing personal boundaries is no different. It's not just about keeping others in check, it's about protecting your peace, your energy, and your well-being. When you set clear boundaries, you're making a powerful statement. My needs and my well-being matter. To communicate your boundaries effectively, be direct and assertive. Use I statements like I need some time for myself to express your feelings without placing blame. And remember, it's okay to say no. Saying no isn't a sign of weakness. It's a declaration of self-respect. By prioritizing your needs and establishing healthy boundaries, you're not just protecting yourself, you're also empowering yourself. Set your boundaries and watch how they transform your life for the better. In nature, symbiotic relationships flourish when both parties benefit. The same principle applies to our social circles. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your mindset and your confidence. Think about it. Are the people in your life lifting you up or pulling you down? Supportive relationships are the lifeblood of personal growth. They provide encouragement, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. Evaluate your social circle. Are these people helping you become the best version of yourself? Engage in activities that foster connection, like joining clubs or attending workshops. Don't be afraid to distance yourself from relationships that drain your energy. Surround yourself with positivity, and you'll create a nurturing environment that fuels your confidence and propels you toward your goals. Taking action is the engine that drives your journey toward confidence and self-empowerment. Every small step you take, no matter how insignificant it may seem, brings you closer to your goals. The key is to start small. Identify manageable tasks that align with your aspirations. For example, if your goal is to improve your fitness, start with just a 10-minute walk each day. If you want to develop a new skill, dedicate 15 minutes a day to learning something new. These small efforts compound over time, leading to significant progress. And don't forget to celebrate your achievements no matter how small. By consistently taking action, you build momentum and confidence. So let's get started. Every step you take counts. Learning to say no is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. It's about asserting your boundaries and prioritizing what truly matters to you. When you say no, you're not just declining a request, you're making a choice to protect your time and energy. This allows you to focus on what's important to you and align your commitments with your values and goals. To say no gracefully, start by being direct yet polite. You might say, "Thank you for thinking of me, but I'm unable to commit to that right now." Remember, you don't owe anyone a lengthy explanation for your decision. Practice self-awareness and recognize when you're feeling overwhelmed. By prioritizing your time and commitments, you create space for activities that genuinely enrich your life. Embrace the power of no and watch how it transforms your energy and well-being. Visualization is more than just daydreaming. It's a powerful tool that can enhance your performance and boost your confidence. When you visualize your success, you're creating a mental blueprint that prepares you for real-life challenges. Engage all your senses in the process. See the details, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. To practice effective visualization, find a quiet space where you can relax and focus. Close your eyes and picture yourself accomplishing your goals. Incorporate positive affirmations into your visualization to strengthen your mindset. The more you visualize your success, the more confident you'll become in pursuing it. So, take a moment each day to envision your dreams coming to life and watch how it transforms your journey. Celebrating your achievements is a vital part of building a positive mindset and reinforcing your self-worth. Recognizing your successes, big or small, helps you appreciate the effort you've put in and motivates you to keep pushing forward. Whether you've completed a major project or simply navigated a tough week, take the time to acknowledge your wins. Celebrate by treating yourself to something you love, sharing your success with friends, or even journaling about your accomplishments. Embracing a mindset of gratitude and self-appreciation helps you cultivate a deeper connection with your journey. Remember, every step counts, and celebrating your achievements fuels your confidence. So take a moment today to honor your progress. You deserve it. Remember, taking action, no matter how small, is crucial for building confidence and empowering yourself. By learning to say no, visualizing your success, and celebrating your achievements, you create a powerful mindset that propels you forward. Now, it's time to take these strategies and turn them into action. Start today, because the world is waiting for your badassery. If you found this content helpful, subscribe to our channel for more empowering videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who could use a boost. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, you're stronger, braver, and more capable than you ever imagined. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of.